How do you repair a puncture, Mum?
You take the tyre off,
Yeah.
right? Then you find a puncture.
How do you find the puncture?
You push it round and round until you find it.
Yeah, but how do you find it? Because it's a tiny hole.
I know, but you can find it. You feel it with your hands. And then you clean it. Got some stuff in there what you clean with. You clean the thing. And then you get your puncture outfit. And it's only a little round thing like that. And you put it on the puncture. Press it down, keep it down for a bit, and put your tyre back on. I know how to do it, Robert.
How long does it take?
It takes a bit. I wasn't bloody quick, but I did it.
Oh wow!
I didn't have to do it many times because I never had a puncture. Excuse me.
I don't think I've ever had I've had puncture once on my bike.
Did you?
Yeah.
Have you never?
No. Once.
Oh, don't
Touch
mention
wood.
it.
Anyway, that's puncture news.